welcome back to my channel. I'm Astrid. So today, we will unbox and review this Lego Classic mini box. So today, I will show you how to build the apple tree. Before I unbox, please watch my other videos at my YouTube channel, Astrid Mulles. And if you want to saw my Facebook page, Astrid Mulles. So guys, are you ready to unbox?
Yes!
Let's unbox! It's like this. We have the instructions and we have one bag. Okay, let's put the box over here, and then let's open the first. Of course, it's only one bag, so let's just open the bag. So guys, I already separated the parts of the Lego Classic mini apple tree. Are you ready to build?
Yeah!
Let's build! First is the grass. And then let's build the trunk of the apple tree. And then next, let's put this. Okay guys, so the next one, we're gonna just put this away for a moment so we can start off the other pieces. So next is this one. Then let's put these two. This is the part of the apple tree. There we go. So guys, this is the part of the flower. Then next, let's put a single piece of green. The next is the other pieces. It's a pattern. Of course, it's a pattern. So I'm gonna first put all of the single grains and then this one. This is the part of the flower. Finally, we're done. Next is this one. The next is this. Let's put later the apple and the flower. The last is this one. And then, let's put these. 1 and 2. There's only 2. And then last but not least is this. Ta-da! Then let's put this over here. Ta-da! Okay guys, I'm done building this apple tree, the Lego Classic apple tree. So guys, please watch my other videos at my YouTube channel. And if you want to see my Facebook page, Astrid Mulles, it's the same as the YouTube channel. So, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and share. Click the subscribe button to get new video updates. Thanks for watching. Bye!